Forever Living Products is built upon three solid pillars of success: genuine, hardworking people, fantastic products, and an excellent marketing plan. In this presentation, we'll focus on explaining how that plan works to provide you with income for your present and future financial needs. First of all, let me tell you how proud and excited I am to explain the FLP marketing plan. Having been a forever business owner for 38 years, I've presented this plan thousands of times and have yet to find anything that equals it. Every single month during those 38 years, my wife and I have earned very substantial income amounts that have made it possible for us to enjoy what life has to offer and to help others do the same. Throughout the presentation, the income examples are shown solely to illustrate the mechanics of the marketing plan and to show how profits and bonuses are calculated. The actual income among forever business owners depends on how much effort is put into the program and varies widely from zero to life-changing incomes. The FLP marketing plan is the brainchild of Rex Mon. Nearly 40 years ago, Rex started on a journey to fulfill his vision of providing the opportunity to ordinary people to earn extraordinary income by helping others. Fortunately for us, he recognized the potential of products made using the legendary aloe vera. That, combined with the marketing plan, has proven to be a winning combination for nearly 4 decades. Today, FBOs in more than 150 countries are enjoying better health and greater prosperity thanks to Rex and the marketing plan he developed. The marketing plan provides a way for just about anybody to achieve any level of income they desire. Whether your ambition is to be a retailer earning profit on your personal sales, or a team leader earning retail profit plus a bonus on a group of business owners you've sponsored, or a business developer earning profit, bonus, and overrides on leaders you develop, the Forever Marketing Plan is the perfect vehicle to take you there. In this training, we'll focus on the novice customer through manager portion of the plan. As you can see, there are many facets of the plan that lie beyond the manager level. To understand the basics of the marketing plan, we first need to explain case credits. Each unit of product is assigned a case credit which is proportionate to its price. The higher the price, the more case credits it's worth. Whenever product is purchased from the company, the corresponding case credits are accumulated to determine when an FBO reaches a higher discount level or achieves a company incentive. People start in Forever by registering under their FBO sponsor as a novice customer. A novice customer receives a 15% discount from the suggested retail price of the product. Once novice customers purchase directly from the company products equaling 2 case credits over any 2 consecutive calendar months, they become wholesale qualified FBOs at the assistant supervisor level and receive a 35% discount. An alternative way to become wholesale qualified is by purchasing a Start Your Journey pack, which allows wholesale qualification for 1.4 case credits instead of 2. Having done that, their FLP career now begins in earnest. I might add at this point that they are wholesale qualified for life, never having to requalify for it. As an assistant supervisor, you have the opportunity to sell the products to retail customers and earn a profit of 35% of the suggested retail price. In addition, you can sponsor novice customers and receive a 20% profit on their purchases. To illustrate, if your retail customers purchased products equaling 2 case credits and your novice customers purchased another 2 case credits, you'd earn a total profit of $226. Now, some of your novice customers will go on to become wholesale qualified FBOs and develop retail and novice customer bases of their own. All of the sales volume generated by these FBOs is added to your personal sales volume to determine when you move up in the marketing plan. When your total sales volume hits 25 case credits over any 2 consecutive months, you are permanently promoted to the level of supervisor and receive a 3% increase in your retail and novice profits. In addition, you can now qualify to receive a bonus on the sales of the FBOs under you. This is called a group bonus and is calculated at 3% of the suggested retail price of all the products sold by your assistant supervisors. So, if you sold 2 case credits retail and 2 case credits Novus, and you had 3 assistant supervisors who each sold 5 case credits to their retail and Novus customers, you'd earn just a bit under $350. The next level that you can achieve is assistant manager. This happens when your total group volume hits 75 case credits over 2 months. Now your profits increase to 43% on retail and 28% on Novus, and you can qualify for group bonuses of 5 to 8%. In this example, you sell 2 case credits retail and 2 cc's Novus, plus your 2 supervisors do 15 cc's each with their groups, and your 2 assistant supervisors do 5 cc's each. In addition to your 43% and 28% retail and Novus profits, you'd receive 5% of your supervisor volume and 8% of your assistant supervisor volume, for a total of $1,183. This brings us to the top level of manager, which is awarded when you do 120 case credits over 2 months. Your profit jumps to 48% retail and 33% Novus, plus group bonuses of 5% to 13%. Here again, you sell 2 case credits retail and 2 Novus, plus you have an assistant supervisor at 45, 2 supervisors at 15 each, and 2 assistant supervisors at 5. Now you earn 48% and 33% retail and Novus profits, plus 5% of your assistant manager, 10% on your 2 supervisors, and 13% of your assistant supervisors, for a total of just under $1,700. Now, in order to receive the group bonus, you must be active during the month in which those bonuses are accrued. Your activity is measured by the combined case credits of your personal orders, your retail sales, and the purchases made by your Novus customers. When you have at least 4 case credits from these sources, you'll be considered active for that month. We refer to this 4 case credit activity target as the success factor in the plan, because it keeps you focused on the basics of building the business, which are: number 1, using the products personally; 2, developing and servicing a base of retail customers; and 3, sponsoring Novus customers and working to help them become FBOs. We've discovered that no matter how long you've been in the business and no matter what sales level you've earned, it's by continuing to focus on these success factors that your business will grow. So there you have the basic marketing plan from Novus to Manager. As we close this training, let's review some of the features of the Forever Marketing Plan. All bonuses, discounts, and profits are based on the full suggested retail price, not including taxes. All level advancements are based on 2 consecutive months group sales volume. There is no requalification required to maintain your sales level. Once you achieve any level, you are locked in at that level until you reach the next one. As you progress from assistant supervisor to manager, you cannot be passed up by any FBOs under you. Rather, they push you up in front of them. Forever has a proven track record of 4 decades, so you can count on the marketing plan to reward you for your effort. There are no large inventories required. Our FBOs are encouraged to order only enough product to cover their sales needs for 30 days. We do not encourage FBOs to invest large sums of money. In fact, we limit the amount of product they can purchase each month. Our products are consumable, making for a solid repeat business. Forever is financially stable with no oppressive debt. It's vertically integrated, owning its own aloe plantations, manufacturing facilities, and distribution network. And Forever is doing business in over 150 countries, so you can build a truly global business. It's time for us to close now. We invite you to learn about the additional income incentives within our marketing plan and wish for you all the best as you work to build your Forever business.